So this is part 2 of the subtraction formula derivation, and we've done up to this point, and now we have to find cos alpha sine beta. Now in this triangle over here, you can see that FG, let me see, you have HD, right? So HD is over here. This side of the triangle is adjacent to alpha, and then if you divide it by df, you would get cos alpha. So let's do the same thing. So HD divided by df into, then you have to write df here as well because you have divided by that, and then df divided by what we had here, dA. So df divided by dA is basically sine beta, and this is basically what we needed here. So basically then these are the sum formulas. Okay, so now you can basically do the whole thing. So sine alpha plus beta over here is equal to fg by fa. So fg by fa is sine alpha. This thing over here, fa by dA is fa by dA is cos beta plus hd by df, hd, where is h? So hd by df over here is basically cos alpha, and df by dA, df by dA is sine beta. So this is basically equation number 1. We got that, and next we need to derive cos alpha plus beta. Now in order to do that, you need to know that basically cos alpha plus beta, as we said here, right, cos alpha plus beta is equal to AE by dA. So if that's AE by dA, so AE by dA over here. Now you can write AE in terms of AE, you can write it in terms of and EA is equal to what? EA here is equal to this whole thing, I mean AG or GA or whatever, GA minus FH, this length over here, because this length is equal to EG and this is equal to HF, so you can write minus HF over here. So here you can write HF, right? And then you can write EA in terms of GA minus HF over here. So cos alpha plus beta is equal to basically GA minus HF over dA, which is equal to GA over dA minus HF over dA. Now let's see, basically here GA over dA, GA over dA is basically okay. So now basically what you can do, you can basically write this as you can basically divide and multiply by AF here. So if you write GA over AF into, then again multiply into AF over dA, minus here you can basically divide and multiply by dF. So HF by dF into dF by dA. And now in a minute you'll just see why we did that, because then you can basically get to this formula right here. So this is equal to then GA by AF, GA by AF is basically cos alpha. AF by dA is basically cos beta. HF by dF, HF by dF. HF by dF is sine alpha, what we have here. And dF by dA, is sine beta. Which is exactly what we were looking for in this formula. So so you can write cos alpha plus beta here is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. And this is equation number 2. So there you have it. And I have made a mistake here. I'm sorry. I have fear I needed to write. I made a mistake. This is basically the some formulas, I mean. So some formulas derivation. So that's how you do this.